Look how small she was there.
Oh my god, yeah.
Look at just how tiny the spot is compared to now.
It's getting so much.
I thought this was a funny cartoon.
Oh, what's it say?
Got all the birds on the wire, and this one's just sitting there by himself, and it says he's wireless.
That's cute.
What are you doing?
Yeah, they have completely changed since their eyes have opened. It's amazing.
Your personality starts to come out.
Yep. Well, they started playing 2 days ago.
He's like asleep. They're asleep on the nipples. Look at them. They're not even moving. They just wait till they feel like they can just get a sip.
Maybe they got a siphon going.
A direct line. Little powder puff. Sparrow. There we go. Let there be light.
Hello.
Hi. Are you sleeping?
No, I was watching that show. I had to see what happened.
What show was it?
Gold Case. Oh, wait, stay down.
Oh, I kept hearing Pearl Jam songs.
Oh, it was on Gold Case.
Really? We're like playing like 3 or 4 of them. Oh.
Powder.
They were all sleeping anyway. They were just sleeping.
They were eating.
They were just
Oh, they've been eating for a while. Look, it's a free for all.
Good girl.
I'm trying to find out where she went.
Yeah.
Open your eyes. There's nothing
They're
there.
so cute, aren't they?
Oh, adorable.
Like, just let me sleep. I'm ready to sleep now.
I didn't even notice this one brown and then the other
Patty's like, no.
I like that. The opposite
It's
ears.
cute.
The speckle ear and then the solid.
They came out this way. The big spots, it was unique. When they came out, each one had that cool little personal...
Yeah.
We were having fun when they finally started coming out, Josh, huh?
Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it.
3-hour layover was a little nerve-wracking.
Then they started just flying out.
Yeah.
Literally in the parking lot.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
We got one.
Me and Rachel.
I forgot what one it was.
I don't know. Me and Rachel went out and
Thank God we grabbed the towel.
I took the towel and like she went to pee and I said, I think what's coming. All of a sudden, just boom, and I got right under and caught it.
We're like this. I'm holding
And then
Brody, he's holding the baby.
And then we're running in.
Wow.
We ran to the bed. All right, come on. While I'm running in,
I'm looking up.
I'm cleaning it up while I'm running in the towel. Hey, Sparrow.
You're so cute. I wish you would stay this little.
She's the number
keep
1.
Oh my God, they're like still eating a lot at this age.
I
Though.
Look at the number
I'm
1.
saying just small altogether.
Oh yeah, number 1. You're number 1.
Oh my gosh, this is the number one. Oh my gosh, I never saw that. That's Charlie,
What
right?
are you doing?
That's Charlie.
Baby. Hey.
Is that Charlie or Zelda?
Oh, I don't
Think?
know. Hey,
I
Mama.
think it's Charlie.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Oh, I'm gonna tell my aunt that.
Don't pee on me. Oh,
God.
be happy.
I don't think she will.
Holy cow, they're so easy.
Look at that tail.
Watch out for your baby, though. Watch out.
Powder, come on. I know she's gonna give a hug. It's okay. Oh,
my
dear. You see if you can get a hug. Powder. Come on.
He's a selfish lover.
Careful with the puppies.
Sit down. Sit. Relax. Relax, baby.
Hey,
It's like her mom.
behave.
Just like your
Daphne, I try not to look at her. As soon as I look at her, it's an instant puddle. She was pulling on my shoulder that day, trying to get me to look at her, and I wouldn't.
I know, right?
Finally, I turned and give her one eyeball, and that was it.
It's hard not to,
I was
right?
like, oh, God.
Then it opens.
I can't get away from him. I can't. They're coming to get you.
Oh no, they're trying to nurse now.
Get away from her. In front of them. In front of them. Sorry, I wasn't trying to touch your nipples. I promise.
Get the itch. Get it.
You found a flea on one.
Yeah. That stinks. I've never had to deal with that with any of my dogs. Ever.
Oh.
I'm unfortunate.
What's that?
I've never had a flea in with any Dalmatian I've ever owned.
We got fleas in this house. We didn't even have dogs last
We
summer.
never had-
Oh my God, the most aggravating thing ever.
We never had fleas. And then when we had no dogs, we had fleas in the house. Bad.
That's odd.
Yep.
What are you
I
doing?
think they came from Somerset Beach.
Really?
Yeah. They were the sand fleas. Watch them feet there, young
Oh.
lady.
Yeah, what are you doing?
That tail will hurt you, too. That thing's like
A weapon.
Oh, yeah.
Careful. Don't step on your pups.
Is that what you want
Sorry,
to do?
Mama's trampling through. This one is adorable.
They're all.
I know, it's like, it's not like this one's not cute.
This one's like a
is.
woolly mammoth.
Oh, he's eating the face. Eating the face.
It's on. Sparrow, she can get fresh.
Okay, I cannot sit like this anymore.
Fine. Did you take
I
the
just
wrong-
cannot do it. Can't do it.
You're asleep?
I can't even feel my legs.
Okay, somebody's got gas.
That's
me.
powder.
Oh,
Gimme. Oh, wow.
you okay?
You get kind of cramped up a little bit.
Sorry, Josh.
It's okay.
I needed some support there.
No
I can't
worries.
really feel my butt right now.
And that floor's
Am I
rough.
really standing or am I sitting? I can't tell. There's no pee in Josh's shoes. Come on, let's move.
I don't.
Oh, look. Look. He's eating.
Peed in the puddle when I got here, but
Yeah,
she should be good.
put down.
Who
Oh.
got it out of your system?
Aren't they so cute with like the little like circles?
I love
right
it.
on the
I
face.
missed you, baby.
Like
Yeah, we were
like
just
the little,
noticing.
like beauty marks, you know?
Yeah, I love it.
We were noticing sparrows
Look at his
past
feet.
her eye got huge, right? You
I
remember how?
know, yeah.
I was looking on our,
This one's
we have an
adorable.
old picture
This
of her.
is- Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Which one's that? Is that you, Sparrow?
Smell the patch was on her eye?
Oh, good girl.
Tiny.
Good girl.
It's spongeola. That when you get it going, the tail goes from side to side to a circle.
I love you.
The adventurer.
They're walking so good compared to walk.
Where are you going?
Oh, always with the chest.
Maybe.
Yep, right now.
Yeah,
You're
there
not
you
on
go.
the
Well,
pee-pee
read-
paper.
Give her credit.
But you almost
You looked.
got
You
there.
looked. Smart dog.
We're gonna dance? We're gonna dance?
Cosmo went as soon as we put
She's
the
on the
paper
prowl
down,
right now, little
there.
troublemaker.
Oh, baby.
Watch, she's gonna try and get everybody up and running.
She'll just cuddle. She's tired. That one's one of my favorites too. This one right here.
Yeah.
He is just a little.
Is that Cosmo?
He's a mush.
Yes.
Yeah, Cosmo and
He just rolls over. Don't care. Moose is the same way. I don't know. They're all so stinking cute.
they're all running.